Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this particular video, recently as you guys saw, I got a new GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I decided to take it out to Hidden Spring Ranch to test it and make sure everything was working, see how the quality was and how the footage looked. And I'll be honest with you guys, it looks absolutely amazing, especially compared to what I was using before, which was the GoPro Hero 3. I don't know if it was a black edition or not. I don't believe so. It doesn't say it on the actual GoPro, so I imagine it isn't. But so this Hero 3 has this Hero 7 Black has all kinds of different settings and stuff like that. I guess I could go over it in another video if you guys want me to, but I'm not super high techy on stuff like that. I just kind of looked around on the internet to see what kind of settings worked, with what I could make in terms of videos. And this particular setting that I use is I recorded it in 2.7K at 60 frames per second. And the reason it's at 2.7K and not 4K is because my computer does not support 4K, my phone does not support 4K, nothing that I have actually supports 4K. So it's just something that I had to kind of work with a little bit, but the footage still looks really, really good. The hyper smooth is really nice, though when I go to turn my head just real slow, it kind of almost like it's panning a shot, so it's kind of, I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, I guess it's kind of nice, but it kind of looks a little bit weird in the actual footage in some spots for me. That's just kind of how it feels like. But I hope you guys enjoyed the footage, and I got something really exciting for you guys that's going to be coming up here, maybe in the next, maybe even in the next video, that is going to kind of move this channel into a new direction. We're still going to be doing off-road videos, but this is definitely something that I'm going to add on to what I'm doing right now with the channel. Also, thank you guys so much for, liking the videos, subscribing, and all that other stuff, because you guys are amazing, and I'm definitely going to be around for a long time, I imagine. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video. There's another video coming up after this one. I don't know if it's going to be part 2 of this or not, I'm not sure, but just make sure you guys stick around, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because you have to subscribe twice, garbage, and whatever, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah, this place is a muddy mess. Yeah, I might have to run back and get gloves. My hands are already starting to get cold. But this could possibly just be a 1-2-parter, if that. Because because we're already in winter hours, and this place closes at 7. It starts to get dark around 5, because that's just how Ohio is. It's gonna be almost impossible to get this thing back without getting it super muddy, because even running through the creek isn't gonna help. Well, I mean, it helped get the soft crap off the bottom from when I went to Tecumseh trails. There's still some stuff on the bottom. Look at that, we're leaving tracks. I'm the first one out on the trail since Thanksgiving. They were closed down almost all Thanksgiving week, I think, almost. We're doing pretty good. Trying to check out how some of the stuff is over here. Well, this is all water. Not bad though. I'm gonna avoid going through the deep stuff in the open areas, because I don't have a winch, and that again, that Suzuki guy's the only other person here, so if I get stuck, he's the only one who can pull me out. These sport quads ain't gonna do it. Or they ain't gonna be able to. You know, these Kenda Bear Claws are doing pretty good as normal trail tires. Probably not the best mud tires, to be honest, but they're doing pretty good as just normal all-around trail tire. And I mean, I'm not sure how they compare to like the AMS Swamp Fox or the, or not the AMS, or no, AMS doesn't make Swamp Foxes. They ain't right. No, it's the AMS Slingshot I'm thinking about. Well, they might make the Swamp Fox, I don't know. I don't know, we're hanging out in two-wheel drive so far. Doing pretty good. I'm gonna make like one roundabout and go back and get my gloves because there's a deer. Oh, there's a deer. See how many deer we can catch. Wonder if I can get through this one mud hole over here on the side. Wonder if it's gotten any worse since I haven't been here. I don't think it's gotten any worse. Don't really look like it. No. Yeah, it got worse. It didn't take very long. Stuck right on that lip. I don't know if we're getting out of this one. Alright, well, winch time. No, it didn't. I was doing all right till I got to the end. Yeah. Oh, I just lost the strap.
That bug really just sucked you right in.
Yeah.
See if I can come around.
this winch is not doing too good because it got cut. Jeez. I almost got,
Good thing you got the winch though.
yeah, I almost got through it there for a second. That's all.
Yeah, your leader started bunching up. You might want to run that out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what that cable cover does. Need to get this off. Need to get new freaking cables, what I need to do.
Hey, it worked just fine. Got you out.
That's true. That'll be
Good
okay.
thing you had this with you too, huh?
Yeah, this cable's only like 35 feet. This is stupid cable cover. I hate this thing.
Yeah.
I need to get it off.
Keep bunching up. It's gonna get pretty warm too.
Yeah. Funny part is that that's where I would attach it to the trailer tongue.
Rubbing on stuff to wear the rope, right?
Yeah, it's rubbing on this because I attach it to the trailer a lot. That's tearing it.
Sweet. Ready to do it again?
Yeah. Maybe I should stick with you.
I don't know if that's such a good idea.
Oh shoot. I don't even know if I can get over there.
I couldn't get over here. That's why I stopped there.
Might be able to get up over there. muddy no more.